Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Google Artifact Registry from VPS using cloud. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to Google Artifact Registry from your VPS using cloud, start by ensuring that you have cloud installed on your VPS. If cloud is not yet installed, download and install it by following the instructions on the Google Cloud SDK documentation page. Once cloud is installed, open your terminal. Log into your Google Cloud account by typing the command cloud-auth login. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Next, set the desired project in which your artifact registry resides by using the command. Replace your _project_ID with the actual ID of your Google Cloud project. To verify that your project is set correctly, run cloud config get value project. Now, ensure that your artifact registry API is enabled. You can enable it by navigating to the Google Cloud Console and accessing the API library. Search for Artifact Registry and click on Enable if it is not already enabled. Next, configure authentication for your artifact registry. You can do this by creating a service account, which is recommended for secure access. In the Google Cloud Console, go to the IAM section and click on Service Accounts. Grant the service account the necessary roles, such as Artifact Registry Reader or Artifact Registry Writer, based on your needs. Once the service account is created, generate a key for it in JSON format. Download the JSON key file to your VPS. Set the Google_application_credentials environment variable to point to your service account key file by running export Google_application_credentials =path/ to /your/keyfile.json. Ensure to replace /path/ to /your/keyfile.json with the actual path to your downloaded key. Now, you are ready to connect to the artifact registry. To list your repositories, use the command cloud artifacts repositories list. This will show you all repositories available in the specified project. To pull or push artifacts, use the following command for Docker images: cloud-auth configure Docker to configure Docker to use your artifact registry. Follow the prompts to authenticate Docker. You can now push images using Docker push location docker.package_dev/project_id/repository/image tag. For pulling images, use the command docker pull location docker.package_dev/project_id/repository/image tag. Replace the placeholders with your specific artifact registry details. If you encounter any issues, check the cloud and Docker logs for any error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.